Ipil Alliance Youth, here's my heart-to-heart advice for you. Ephesians 6:1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Let me share to you the acronym OBEY. O, open your heart to listen. Start with a heart that is willing to listen. Your parents are not perfect, but God placed them in your life to guide, love, and protect you. When you open your heart to listen to the words, you are also learning to listen to God's wisdom through them. B, build trust through respect. Obedience is more than following rules. It's about showing love and respect. When you respect your parents, you build a foundation of trust. This will honor God and strengthens your relationship with your family. E, embrace God's design. God designed the family as a place for growth. By obeying your parents in the Lord, you are choosing to follow His plan, which leads to blessing and maturity. Embrace it even when it feels hard. Why? It will shape your character and will draw you closer to God. Lastly, why? Yield to God's authority. Obeying your parents is ultimately about yielding to God's authority in your life. When you submit to Him through your parents' guidance, you will learn humility, patience, and faith, qualities that will serve you throughout your life. Obeying your parents is not about control. It's about growing in love, wisdom, and faith. Trust that when you obey in the Lord, you are choosing what's right and you're stepping into the life that God has prepared for you. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.